beautiful. Bella, can you believe your eyes? There's a golden egg. Wow! Yay! Let's open the golden egg. It's Kinder Surprise! Wow. This is a huge Kinder Surprise, so I'm gonna open it. Mystery. Looks like. So it's a bee, like laying down with the flowers, and here's his family having fun. So let's build. We get some flowers, and we get this bee. So it's a bee sitting down and relaxing, and there are two flowers above him, and he's just relaxing like on the beach. Bella wants some. My turn. Now we remove the golden eggs. Now let's see what the Paw Patrol train brought us now for Spider. Let's see what Paw Patrol plane brought us now from Spider-Man. So let's open and find out what's in here. Oh, I got it open, and it's another Kinder Surprise! Yay! How much Kinder Surprises will they be today? Chocolate egg. So we got the bee, and it's a boy, and he's skating. And here's another picture of everyone that maybe we will get. Let's connect it. So wings and the purse, little bee. Connect, connect, connect. There, we connected it. So you can put its wings up and down. I will do down. And we get one more piece, and it's a little like roller skate. Woo! Let's connect. We connected it. Whoa! Let's meet the Paw Patrol person who delivered these eggs just for us. Let me go on land and discover this beautiful place. Bees! What did you do that for? But that was funny. Woo! Please put 1,000 likes. If you like, please send your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and put likes. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.